Namaste everyone. How are you guys?
Fine.
Fine. Okay, so today we'll do something different. We'll not do Ashtanga because we have completed it. We will do from tomorrow, we'll do again Ashtanga. Today we'll do a calm class in which we will do a relaxed postures. Okay, so basically simple sit in Dandasana. Oh, sorry, first we will start with prayer. Sorry, I forgot totally. Sit in any comfortable position. Keep your spine straight. Gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and deep breath out. Again, take a deep breath in and deep breath out. Now inhale for Join your both palms together, rub your both palms. Gently apply your face, on your eyes, on your whole body, and bow down your head towards God and ask God to give us strength for today's class. While blinking, open your eyes. Om Shanti. Now sit in Dandasana on your mat. Both feet together, both legs together. Pull your toes in. Now we'll start. Keep your back straight. Pull your hip out and sit properly on your sitting bone. Now we'll start with first toes movement. We'll just move our toes, nothing else. One, contract your toes. Exhale. Inhale, extend your toes. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Try to keep your chest open. Roll your shoulders. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Shake your legs, not change. Now we'll do ankle movement one by one. Pull your right ankle, extend your right ankle, and left ankle inside. Flex. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now both legs together. 1, extend. 2, flex. 3, 4, inhale front, exhale back. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now rotate your ankle clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take your ankle to the right, front, and then left. 7, 8, 9, 10. Anti-clockwise. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Shake your legs. Now bend your right leg at the knee and press your right knee down. Exhale. Inhale down. Exhale up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now grab your leg like this, like you are holding a child, and shake your legs left side and right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Release your right leg. Now change your leg. Bend your left leg in half lotus pose. Again, inhale, press it down. Exhale up. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. 6, 7, and 8. Again, hold your left leg like a baby and shake your leg. Your left hand will come out of your left knee. Don't take your hands from now. Like this, from out. Yeah, now shake your leg. Pull your leg up in 90 degree. Make angle of your 90 degree and then shake. Exhale, release your left leg. Shake your leg. Now bend your right leg at the knee and grab your right thigh from inside. And inhale, lift your left leg up straight. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. 3, inhale, up. Exhale, down. 4, inhale, up. Exhale, down. 5, inhale, up. If you can grab your ankle like this. Inhale, lift your spine. Exhale, try to touch your chin on your shin. Take your leg, keep your knee straight and hold 1. Do not make a hump on your back like this. Pull your spine up and then stretch. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now drop your right feet out of your left knee. Drop your feet on the mat. Out of your inhale, lift your left arm up, keep your right arm back. Exhale, twist and grab your right feet. Look back. Yeah, and hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, look front, and exhale, release your leg. Shake your leg, and change your leg. Bend your left leg at the knee. Inhale, stretch your left leg up. Exhale, down. You have to touch your left inner thigh to your chest. Then you have to straight your leg. Again, inhale up, exhale down. 4, inhale up, exhale down. 5, inhale up. Grab your ankle if you can. Keep your knee straight. Lengthen your spine, open your chest. Exhale, pull your leg closer to your chest and hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, drop your left feet out of your right knee. Inhale, lift your right arm up. And exhale, twist and grab your left feet from your right hand. And look back. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, look front. Exhale, release your hand. Release your leg. Shake your leg. Now bend your both leg at the knee. Come for the butterfly. Now shake your legs up and down. Properly lift your knees up and then push your knees down. Inhale, raise your both arms up in butterfly only. Stretch your arms up, open your chest, lengthen and then elevate your spine. Exhale, twist to the right side and bend forward. Try to touch your right head on your right knee. Now with your left hand, press your left knee down. Keep stretching your right. Keep walk with your right fingertips towards the right side and hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale again, raise your both arms up. Exhale to the left side. Again, walk with your left fingers to the left side and touch your head on your left knee. And with your right hand, press your right knee. Do not let your lift your right knee. 1, do not lift your right knee up. 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, again come front. Exhale, bend fully forward down. Drop your fingers, open your chest and try to go and bend forward with your hip joints. First, try to touch your belly on your feet, then chest, and after that, chin on your floor or on the mat. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, come up. Place your both palms behind your back. Inhale, lift your chest. Slowly release. Now from there, make lotus pose, Padmasana. Sit down. And raise your both arms front. Now close your fingers and make a wrist. And open your fingers. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now put your thumb in and close your finger. Now rotate your wrist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now open your hands. Wrist down. 1, 2, palm down. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Both palms by the side. 1, sidewise. Open and close. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now turn your palms towards the ceiling. Now exhale, put your fingertips on your shoulder and then inhale, open. Keep your both hands in line with your shoulder. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Both arms by the side. Exhale again, put your fingers on your shoulder. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, open. Exhale, close. 8, 9, 10. Inhale, stretch your both arms up. Exhale, down. 3 up. Exhale, down. While coming down, stretch your shoulders down. You have to stretch your shoulders downwards. Inhale, stretch, elevate. Exhale, depress. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Drop your fingers on your shoulder. Now rotate your shoulders. 1, 2. Inhale, open your chest. Exhale, try to touch your both elbows to each other. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Anti-clockwise. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Both arms by the side. Turn your palms out like this. You have to turn your palms out. Left palm, left side, right palm. Now start making a circle. 1, very slow. 2, do not do it fast. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change the direction. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, drop your shoulders down. Now rotate your shoulder, shake your shoulder clockwise, anti-clockwise. Now we'll do head movement. Inhale, look front. Exhale, look towards the right side as much as you can. Inhale again, front. Exhale to the left side. 3 again, inhale, front. Exhale to the right. Inhale, front. Exhale to the left. 4. Inhale, front. Exhale to the right. 5. Inhale, front. Exhale to the left. 6. Again, inhale, come front. Now we'll do lateral bend. Inhale, look front. Exhale, try to touch your ear on your shoulder. Do not bring or lift your shoulder up towards your ear. You have to go with your ear towards the shoulder. Inhale again, front. Exhale, bend to the left side. 3, change your side. 4, 5, and 6. Inhale, front. Now inhale, look up. Exhale, look down. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look down. Inhale, again, look up. Exhale, look down. Inhale and exhale. Release. Come in center. Now press your palm, open your leg, and come for the tabletop position on your mat. Inhale, look up, open your chest, roll your shoulder, and make a curve on your spine. Exhale, look down, make a hump on your back. Inhale, again, look up. Exhale, look down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, one more time, look up. Hold there for 3 counts. 1, 2, 3. Exhale, look down, make a hump on your back. Hold 1, 2, 3. Come in center. Now lift your right arm front and left leg back. Opposite leg and opposite hand. Stretch. Exhale, try to touch your elbow to your knee. Inhale, again, stretch arm and leg back. Exhale, elbow to your knee. Inhale and exhale. One more time, inhale and hold. 1, 2, 3. Exhale, knee to elbow and hold. 3, 2, and 1. Now drop your knee down and your palm down. Now chain. Left hand front and right leg back. Inhale. Exhale, knee to elbow. Inhale. Exhale. 3, inhale. Exhale. 4, inhale and hold. 1, 2, 3. Exhale, touch your knee to elbow and hold. 3, 2, and 1. Drop your knee down, leg down. Now lift your right knee slightly off from the floor. Now open your right leg up like this, make 90-degree angle, and now start rotating. 1, 2, 3, Catherine G, I cannot see your video. I think so it's disconnected. 4, 5, 6, 7. Now change the direction. 8, anti-clockwise now. 7, same leg. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now you have to open your right knee towards the right side. Inhale up, exhale down. 3, inhale up, exhale down. No, you have to not rotate. Same leg, HGG like this. Up and down. 4, inhale up, exhale down. 5, inhale up, exhale down. 6, inhale up and hold there. 1, 2, and 3. Now straight your right knee, right side. You have to just straight your right knee towards the right side. Point your toe. Do not take your leg like this back, just straight sidewise. Sidewise. Now rotate, start making a circle from your leg. 1, 2, 3. Catherine G, bring your leg. Do not take your leg back. Bring your leg like this side. Now start. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Anti-clockwise. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now drop your right leg, right side on the floor, right feet. Like this, inhale, come up. Interlace your fingers, rotate your palm out. Now exhale, bend to the right side. You can place your right palm on your right shin, left arm over your head, look at towards your left palm. Hold. 1, stretch your left hand over your head front. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, come up. Now place your left hand on your left heel, take your right arm behind your back, go for the back bend. Place your left hand on your left heel, right arm over your head, and take your leg back, hand back, sorry. Yeah. 1, the leg which is back, you have to put your palm on that. 2, keep pushing your waist front and bend with your thoracic also. 2, yeah, this one. 3, rotate your shoulder out. 4, and 5. Inhale, come up, drop your palm down and come back to the tabletop position. Now we will change our leg, lift your left knee, left side up, and start rotating and rotate and make a circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, anti-clockwise. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now lift your left knee towards the left side, up and down. Inhale up, exhale down. 2, inhale up, exhale down. 3, inhale up, exhale down. 4, inhale up, exhale down. 5, inhale up and hold. 1, hold your leg in there. 2, and 3. Now straight your knee, left leg, left side, and start making a circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Anti-clockwise. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now drop your left feet on the floor. Inhale, come up, interlace your fingers and stretch yourself up. Exhale, bend to the left side. Place your left palm on your left shin bone, right arm over your head. Look towards your right armpit. Hold there for 5 counts. 1, twist, open your chest. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, come up. Now place your right palm on your right heel, left arm over your head. Go for the back bend. Again, hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, come up. Exhale, drop your palms on the floor. Come for the tabletop position on your mat. Now tuck your toes, lift your hips up, come for the downward facing dog. Bend your knees one by one, shake your thighs, shake your legs. Keep lifting your tailbone high. Now inhale, bring your right leg out of your right palm. Now with jump, you have to change. Exhale, take your right leg back and bring your left leg front. Yeah, exhale, change 2, jump and change 3, on one time. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Now bring your right leg out of your right palm and hold. Okay. Now what you have to do, keep the out arch of the feet, this outward arch of your right feet down, and show your feet. You show your feet. Now keep your right palm on your right knee. You can drop your left knee on the floor. Drop your left knee on the floor. Drop your left knee on the floor. Yeah. Now press with your right hand and pull your right feet away, right knee away from your body. Okay. Don't go away from your knee. Just push your knee away from your body and hold. 1. Keep stretching and feel the stretch in your hip joint. 2. Keep pushing your right knee away. 3, 4, and 5. Now without taking your knee back, drop your both elbows on the floor. Just drop your both elbows and keep pushing your right knee away from the of your body. Hold. 1. Do not take your leg back. 2, 3, 4. Keep pushing your left hip down. And 5. Inhale, stretch your both arms front. Do not come back. Just stretch your both arms front. Make finger cup and hold there for last 5 counts. 5. Try to touch your head or chin on the floor. 4. Keep your weight in center. Do not lean towards the left side. 3, 2, and 1. Inhale. Come back. Take your right leg back into downward facing dog. And exhale. Bring your left knee front. Left leg front, sorry. Out of your left feet. Sorry, left palm. Again, now drop your right knee down and place your left arch of the feet, out arch of the feet on the mat now. Now left leg. Now with your left palm, press your left knee away from your body and keep pressing your hip down. Hold. 1, 2, keep pressing. 3, push your knee away. 4, and 5. Now drop your both elbows down and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stretch your both arms front, make finger cups from your fingers and keep pushing your hip down. Last 5 counts. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, come back, take your left leg back, shake your legs, exhale. Bend your knees one by one, shake your legs. Okay, now drop your both knee on the mat into tabletop. But from here, you have to open the knees, the distance between your knees, you have to increase it like this for the frog pose. But you have to keep one thing in mind, that your knee and your ankle should be in one line. Okay, you will not keep your feet inside or more outside. Your ankle and your knee should be in one line. Your knee, your hip, and your another knee should be in one line. Do not take your hip back like this, or do not take your hip front like this. Now you have to go down and feel the stretch on your adductors muscles, which are between your thighs, between your legs, inner thighs. Now keep pressing your hip down, and you can try to touch. Do not take your hips back. Hediji, front. Your knee, your hip, and your another knee should be in one line. Tailbone in, press your hip down. Do not arch your back like this. Tailbone in, push it in. Hold there for 1 minute. Just relax. Slide your knee out as much as you can. Feel the stretch in your groins muscle. Now press your palms, lift your chest up as much as you can, and push your hip down. Lift your chest up, push your hip down. Inhale, take your hip front slightly. Exhale, hip back and down. Okay, you have to push down and back. Inhale, front. Exhale, push your hip down and back. Inhale again, front. Exhale, down. Now again, bend, take your knees together, come for the tabletop position. Now bend your, tuck your toes, lift your hips up, come for the downward facing dog from here. Bend your knees again and shake your knees, shake your thighs, shake your legs. Now bend your both knees and jump out of your both palm for Malasana to this position. With your both elbows, push your both knees out, spine straight, elevate your spine. Now from here, turn your both feet out, right feet right side, left feet left side, and slightly lift your hip up and come into goddess pose. Keep your knee and ankle in one line, 90 degree. This ankle you have to make. Place your both palms on your thighs and keep pushing your legs backward and lengthen your spine. Okay, do not, Catherine ji, do not do your legs like this. It will give you injury on your knees. Keep pushing your knees back, not close like this. Knees back, tailbone in, and chest out. Push your legs back, not front. Use your hands to push back. Palms, yeah. Okay, I cannot see the posture correctly, that how your feet are, that's why, yeah. Do like this, okay. Okay, now it's good. Hold. Hip down, Hediji, your hips are coming up, down, push it more down. Now remove your hand, inhale, raise your both arms up. Stretch your arms overhead. Inhale, come up, exhale, bend your knees and go down more. Inhale, slightly come up. Exhale, again, push it more down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down and hold there for 5 counts. 5. Keep pushing your hips down, hands over your head. 4, feel that stretch, feel that pain. 3, 2, 1. Now from there, exhale, bend forward at 90 degree. Stretch your arms front. Keep your legs open. Keep your hip and your body in one line, upper body, and hold. Keep pushing your knees back, legs back. 5. Hold there, just feel that stretch and that pain. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now grab your ankles with your both hands. Again, keep your knees bent. Look front, hip down, body in one line. Hip more down, more down, more down. Last 5 counts. 5, 4, keep pushing your knees back. 3, open your hip. 2, and 1. Inhale, come up. Exhale, close your leg. Shake your both legs. Now sit down on the mat. Now we'll do some counter poses. Now just try to touch your both knees, but it should be difficult to touching your both knees. So if it is easy for you to touch your both knees together, you can just open your legs wide and then again try to touch. You should not feel easy in touching your knees. Find difficulty. Try this is counter pose. Nidhi, try like this. Okay, now drop your right knee, open your left knee. Now inhale, come up. Now drop your right knee, open your left knee. Drop your left knee. Change side to side. Look opposite side so you can twist your spine properly. You can feel that counter pose on your hip. Now lay down on your back. Grab your both legs for happy baby posture. Press your knees down. Now roll yourself side to side. Now bend your both knees, hug your legs. And sit in any comfortable position. We will chant 1 time Om followed by 3 Shanti. Take a deep breath in. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Join your both palms together, rub your both palms. Apply on your eyes, on your face, on your whole body. Gently bow down your head towards God. And thank God for giving us strength for today's class. While blinking, open your eyes. Namaste to all. So if you have any question, any queries related to asanas, you can ask. Okay, no queries. Okay, thank you so much, guys. See you tomorrow. Namaste. Take care.